Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Robinhood app passcode and biometrics, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, download and install the Robinhood app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the app once it's installed on your device. If you're a new user, tap on Sign Up to create a new account. For existing users, tap on Login to access your account. Enter your registered email address and password. Once logged in, you may be prompted to set up a passcode for security. Create a 4-digit passcode that you can remember easily. Make sure to avoid common combinations like 1234 or 0000. After entering your passcode, you will need to confirm it by entering it again. Next, you may be given the option to enable biometric authentication. This allows you to use fingerprints or facial recognition for quicker access. If you choose to enable biometrics, follow the on-screen instructions. For fingerprint authentication, place your finger on the sensor when prompted. For facial recognition, position your face within the designated area for scanning. Once biometrics are set up, you will see a confirmation message. Now, whenever you open the Robinhood app, you can log in using your passcode or biometrics. If you ever forget your passcode, there will be an option to reset it. Follow the prompts to verify your identity and set a new passcode. It's important to keep your passcode secure and not share it with anyone. Regularly check the app for any updates to maintain security features. This concludes the authentication process with the Robinhood app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.